Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yes, very good evening to all. So let's begin, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Did I give you any homework? I gave you any homework, remember? I forgot.
Three sounds you
Ma'am, to
had
learn.
discussed in
Ma'am,
the
to
class.
learn.
Three sounds.
To learn this song.
Okay,
To learn
so
this song.
everyone has done that, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so which are the sounds I asked you to study? Suraja, could you tell me?
E. Can you hear me, ma'am?
Yeah, I can, yes.
E.
Okay. Uh-huh.
Uh.
uh, eh, yeah, you're making it correct. So, shall we try that? I'll just draw that on the screen, and you just study. I mean, everybody try to make those sounds.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I think I had pronounced the wrong one. Now you are writing that was the one you taught the before one. Now you think that's what I
It's okay.
learned.
It's okay. It's okay. All right. So these are the sounds I'm going to test first, and could you tell me who wants to participate? First, who's going to book your confirmation? Suraja first. Second, raise your hands and book your turn. Suraja first. Second, quick. Karthik. Perfect. Who else? It's okay. Ah, the triplets. All right. So good one. I'll just come back after that. Please start from the beginning.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
E.
Good. Perfect. The wonderful movement of the sound from the stretched one to closed and opened, and then again stretching the same position. Perfect, Suraja. Can you remember these symbols written on the other side?
E.
Good. First
A,
one, please.
A,
Yes.
A,
Nope. You forgot. The first one is
A,
E.
E,
It's simply E. There is no
E,
A. Okay, this is
E.
only a monophthong. It's not a gliding to another one, not a diphthong.
okay,
So E. So
E,
remember which is the next one?
E,
Good. Next one.
O,
Next.
Oo,
Wonderful. Can you read once again these four sounds?
E,
Yes.
E,
Good.
O,
Yes.
Oo.
Yeah. The next two, last two. Yes. Yes.
G.
Perfect. Thank you very much, my sweetheart.
Welcome,
All
ma'am.
right. Yeah. Next was Karthik. The same way, Karthik, please read them all.
E,
Yes.
E,
You're saying both in the same way.
E. E.
E,
Good. Okay. Next.
U,
Okay.
U,
It's okay. You keep there. I mean, I'll take you here later. Can you read these three which is written first?
Mom, I can read.
Wait, somebody's doing their trial. Please wait. Okay, Karthik Vinod, you do this. 1, 2, 3.
E,
Good.
E,
Second one.
E,
No. E.
E,
Lip position.
E,
Okay. First one is okay. That is A. Second one.
E,
No, Baba.
E.
Second one is
E,
E.
E,
Third one.
U,
No. Here. It's okay, Karthik. Fine. You just listen to others. You know, Suraja has done it so well. So you observe others also. Okay, you observe others. I'll come back to you, Karthik. Don't worry at all. Yes, go pick up the 3. Okay, yeah, start.
E,
Okay,
E,
come on. Who is making sound there, please? Everybody mute and keep the kids away. Okay. Yeah, please start once again.
E,
Yes,
E,
good,
E,
perfect.
E,
Okay,
E,
yes,
U,
okay,
U,
yes,
J,
yes,
J,
wonderful. Next,
E,
yes,
E,
yes,
E,
yes,
E,
yes,
E,
okay,
U,
okay,
U,
yes,
J,
yes,
J,
yeah, perfect. Okay, third one,
E,
yes,
E,
yeah,
E,
okay,
E,
yes,
E,
yes,
U,
yes,
U,
yes,
J,
yes.
J.
Wonderful. Marvelous. Okay. Then it was, I think, the third one, I forgot.
Parvati.
That's it. That's it. Parvati has done. So who is next? Who can speak next? Okay, Afreen. After Afreen, I'll be calling Jonal, then Hashir, then Shahan Nazir. Okay. The whole panel is booked. Start from the beginning. Okay. Next. Next.
O.
Third one.
O.
It's entirely wrong. I think you were absent in most, I think a couple of weeks. I think that's the reason. Okay, I'll give you training later. It's completely fine, Afri. All right, don't worry. We'll teach you.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Next, I was calling
Jonal.
Donald. Yes, Donald. Ready? No, first one. A. That is A. Next.
A.
Second one.
A.
No, the entire order is wrong. The first one is, everybody listen. The first one is A. Second one is A. Third one is Okay, so you have to compare these two sounds. A, that's how it goes.
A.
Everyone, please make this in that way. Now, please unmute. Nice sound. Very good sound. It's like I have used this. Don't worry, okay? Actually, it has to be like that. Okay, it has to be like that. The sound, only you make the sound. Then you identify which are the symbols. I will make the sound. You tell me which is a symbol. Was 1, 2, 3. Then you, in reverse, we will practice. Okay. So, now everybody look at my face. I'm making it from stretched to opened and continued. Stretched, opened, continued. That's how it is going. Stretched, first one. Second one, opened. I'm changing my stretched movement to opened movement. Third one, continued. So the opened position is continuing and the tongue is pulling back. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Here, the third one, continued. You're not seeing any change to my lips. Only the sound I am making stretch. For
Giving
this,
a
you have to
little
come back. That's
pressure to our body.
yeah, a kind of pressure.
Pressuring.
Pressuring, yeah, so that you will reduce your tummy. Okay, so everybody now make the sound. But the third sound you will make on the Onam day after having the payasam.
Sadhya.
Isn't it? Yeah, perfect. So I'm going to share the screen now. I'm saying, I'm going to give the numbers.
Okay.
All right. First one. Can you no, kill me. First one is okay. You know one thing, you open your notebook, you study now. Everybody?
Notebook. I don't have notebook.
Then take any book.
What, ma'am?
Notebook. If you don't have a notebook, take any book. Or any paper, pencil, anything.
Okay.
आदि लक्ष्मी
Yes, ma'am.
क्या हाल है?
What language is that?
Doing?
क्या हाल है?
How are you doing?
How are you doing? Yeah.
What language is that?
Language are so
You don't know Hindi? You don't know Hindi?
Ma'am, I know Hindi.
Not to Adi Lakshmi. Somebody asked what language is this? So I'm asking the same.
Actually, I'm so happy to hear this after much.
Hindi is very hard to learn the
Suraj is very
English translation.
I heard this after Actually, I used to see Hindi and all, but from a person in front of me, I'm hearing it so long
Then
after the
I
Hindi
will
class.
Watch
talk to
Hindi
you in
movies and
Hindi
serials.
some
हाँ
time,
आई
at
विल
least
टॉक
1 minute.
हिंदी तुम्हारे नाम क्या है
मेरी नाम. Who said that? Who asked that question?
Afridi.
Sorry?
Afridi.
Ah,
You can understand that by his slang.
What are
Ahmed
this
Afridi,
me
right?
making
Okay,
short
okay.
language
मेरा नाम अहमद अफरीदी है. अहमद अफरीदी है मेरा नाम. मेरा नाम. Yeah.
no
आपका
ma'am
नाम
same
आपका नाम
मेरा
अहमद
नाम
है?
अहमद अफरीदी है.
no ma'am
Certainly.
my name only my
No,
name
no,
only
ये मेरा नाम है.
आपका नाम है?
मेरा नाम
अफरीदी.
अहमद अफरीदी
आपका नाम कैसे हो सकता है? आपका नाम तो प्रिया मोहम्मद है ना?
Just kidding.
why are you talking Hindi like that
क्योंकि मुझे कभी कभी बात करना पसंद है. तमिल में भी बात करना पसंद है.
मुझे भी पसंद है.
हाँ?
मम्मी से बात करती हूँ मैं.
Suraj is talking to your mummy, right? Okay,
Yeah,
that's
very nice thing that is.
okay. I know, I know. See, if you want to talk to me in Hindi, you just can call me sometimes, but I'll be talking Gunda Hindi. मेरी तो ये स्त्रीलिंग पुल्लिंग तो अलग है.
हाँ हाँ.
आहे.
मम्मा का भी अलग है. वो
Ma'am,
थोड़ा सा
ma'am please tell the English translation of that
Ahmad, mute. Yes, Suraja.
that one na whom ma, there is a ma word, right? Na whom.
हाँ.
That one I just feel a little bit in mama's language. She's very.
हाँ.
She was staying in Delhi from 8 to 9 years, and still she's saying whom like that.
Okay. So this happens with every Keralites who travel from here.
Yeah, that's
If
a.
you born there, it's not a problem.
I even learned Haryanvi. Actually, I was standing. I was living in Haryana. I even learned Haryanvi, and she's still learning Hindi.
Interesting. All right. So
Which
just
language,
hold this one time for here, and we will go back to our thing, and we will learn now. A. Can you write the A sound now and show me? A sound.
Wrote.
Afreen, you also try, okay? A. Karthik?
I'm a right person.
A is done. Okay. Good, Suraja. Others?
Wrote.
Wow.
Am I wrote?
You wrote. Where?
ma'am I forget how to write
Visible properly.
Okay. I have seen that, Suraja.
ma'am normally
I'll call everyone, then you show. Okay, otherwise I'll not be reaching everyone. Now I'm calling Aisha Hida. Show it, please, Aisha.
I won't know.
You don't know. That's see. Yeah, what? Okay. See, this is the fact. If you don't know the symbol clearly, you will never make the sound.
ma'am I
That's the
know
problem.
ma'am it is Ani
Then you write, man.
ma'am book and paper and all it is very
Go. Take it. Let me see whether you can walk or not. Go, stand up. I want to see whether you can stand up and walk and come back. See. Simply making silly reasons. And Afreen, can you write that?
yes ma'am
Write and show. Jonal, show me. Good one. Karthik. Nakul, write and show. Good. Akash, P. Unikrishan.
where is that
Akash.
ma'am see my
Yeah. Wow. It's as big as you. Hashir. Perfect. Okay. Effins. Good one. Now, Gopika. Okay. And the triplets, you have already passed the exam. No need to write now. Okay. Afreen, did you write? By the time I think Adilakshmi can show it.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Hmm.
Are you in school now?
Yeah, I'm in school.
Oh.
Ahmed, can you please keep quiet for some time? Huh? Otherwise, I'll just send a plaster there to just keep your muted, okay? I'll just fix a zip bend. Yes, Adilakshmi, please show once again. Where are you, Adi? You're gone? Yeah, okay, okay. Thank you very much. You have done it in so good way. That is inside that Guru Priya. It's very good.
Ma'am, I've
Very,
already studied this.
that's why. Where did you study this?
In my school, in my previous school.
Which
This was
school?
there,
Which
included.
school?
Christ Vidyaniketan in Nalakuda.
Okay, they are teaching it here. Good.
Only third standard.
Okay, perfect. Still, you remember that, in third standard you
Yes.
studied and you know that notations and the symbols, how to keep this in a.
I still remember my book. It was a colorful book.
Do you still have it?
No, ma'am.
Why did you lose it? Okay.
I never thought that it would be useful in 7th standard.
Okay, okay. Can you read the dictionary without any issues then? Can you read the dictionary? Huh? Okay, good one, good one. If I show you one, can you just identify?
I will try.
Yeah.
Veg.
Yes, Adilakshmi.
Penguin.
Penguin. Good.
Penguin.
Paper.
Perfect.
Water.
Next one.
Rabbit.
Uh-huh.
Rabbit.
Sorry, ma'am, I don't know this.
This one is diphthong. Robot.
Robot.
That's pronunciation of robot.
Robot.
Ahmed, I'm warning you for the final time. When I'm interacting with one student, you are not supposed to do this, and also not in a funny way. Don't interfere. Okay, sometimes we have to be serious in the class. I hope you are now confirmed about it, right? Yes. So anyway, you can now refresh this. All right. So diphthongs are very easy. If you learn monophthong, then it's very easy to learn diphthongs. Okay. So that's how it is. I'm very happy when I see someone who knows phonetics. Seriously. So you're all supposed to make me happy very soon. You all learn phonetics very quickly and interact with me and just take challenges with the toughest word. And we will beat who? Shashi Tharoor. We will call him for a challenge. Seriously, that's my dream.
Ma'am, in this near past, I just learned the biggest words of.
Sorry?
In the past, just 2-3 days before, I learned the longest words of English. That time I had heard about them. Like,
Well.
would you like to hear one example? You
Yeah,
hadn't.
please. I would love to.
Yeah. aquosalinocalcalino serratio alumino sicuprio vitriolic. Would you like to repeat it, ma'am?
Yeah, very much. You have to.
Accusalinocalcalino serratio alumino sicuprio vitriolic.
Yeah.
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Oh.
Flossy nosy inhalabilification.
Ah, that I have heard. Okay. So could you tell me the meaning of these three?
Sure, I will. The aquasalinocalcalino serratio alumino sicuprio means it's a spa water in England. It's a
Okay.
spa, a type of spa. Floxinoxy and expialidocious, I told na, supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. That means it's a nonsense word for giving permission or to show approval. Floxinoxy nail purification, I don't remember that one. The meaning I just forgot. What was that?
It's okay, completely fine. We really appreciate you for remembering the entire this spellings, without making any mistakes and remembering it the meaning as well. So give a clap to Suraj for doing this. Fantastic. Okay, well done, well done. So we are losing time by making fun in the classroom these days. So we haven't learned much. What should we do? Will you be good girls and boys from next week onwards?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm supposed to finish the class now. So we will be meeting after the honor vacation. So I wish everyone, isn't it?
Ma'am, how will I get Suraj's number? I don't have her number.
Suraja? Help each other.
I don't know from where I should get that.
What can I do? I'll give Adilakshmi's number to Suraja. Is that fine?
Yeah, fine.
It will be
a great pleasure for me because I thought she's a very amazing in phonetics, isn't it, ma'am? I'm just flattered for that she's asking my number.
Okay, okay. I'm very happy that good teamwork is developing. Everybody should do like this, okay? You just communicate with each other, not only for the phonetics, but for all the subjects you are learning and develop new things. And I want you to develop this learning new words every week. So can I tell you to find out 3 words for the word danger? 3 alternate words. I mean, I can say synonyms. Danger. It will really help you in your future studies because having synonyms will improve your standard in English speaking, and also it will help you to score high marks. Danger is a weak verb, weak word according to the levels. So you should learn the higher levels of words for the same word. Okay, I will give you a clue. First one starts with M. Second one starts with C, which means K sound. And the third one starts with P, P sound. Sorry, letter P, P sound. Okay, choose these 3. And definitely don't miss any class. This will be the problem if you miss. You cannot come back later. It will take much time for you to come in the stream. All right.
Ma'am. Hazard.
No, I gave you clues already. P, M, K. You have to find these 3 sounds.
Peril.
Perfect. Peril. Second one.
Cat.
Journal, give it a try.
Crisis?
I don't know.
Crisis?
Not crisis. It's a very high standard word you have to look for.
Right.
Sorry?
Cat.
Ocean.
Can be, but Adilakshmi, you're somewhere near. C-A-T, cat, T.
Cat.
No, catastrophic. Okay, catastrophic. And the third one you have to find. All right? starts with M. Bye bye. Happy Onam to all. Send pictures.
Happy Onam.
Beautiful clothes and celebrations. All right. I'm expecting your happy moments in the form of pictures, and I'll see you. Bye bye next week.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you,
Happy
ma'am.
Onam.
Happy